Hi everyone, I hope everyone's having a good day and let's get back into another day of geometry. Anyways, so today what you're going to be doing, well first off, if you haven't noticed yet, you should, but if you haven't noticed yet, our layout has changed a little bit. And if you ever miss a day, you're just really going to need these two folders, the chapter 8 until we get to chapter 9 folder, as well as the daily greetings folder. The daily greetings folder is has all the days that we've had so far of class. So if you have any questions about what we did a certain day, if you were too busy to get on, that's fine. Just look at what we did that day and then just complete what we did when you have the time to do so. Like I said, today we're going to be doing chapter 8. And today we're going to move on to 8.5. So although this hasn't highlighted yet or changed yet, we are going to be doing 8.5. And if you notice in the 8.5 folder here, even though it's unpublished, what I expect you to do is watch two videos. It's just 8.5. There's one video that deals with trapezoids, another video that deals with kites, and then last but not least, I did give you either a worksheet to work on or two IXL assignments. And again, if you're doing two IXL assignments, I just want a score of 80 or to 85 on both of these. Okay? So that's all I'm asking for today. Also, this quiz is here. I actually missed that, but do this quizzes. So these two videos, quizzes, and then IXL. That's all I ask for you to, or this worksheet. That's all I want you to do today. Just kind of a couple of announcements as we move forward. Like I said, depending upon when your class decided to have uh, a Zoom meeting, if you are in third hour, we have that Zoom meeting on tomorrow at I think I said 9:30 to 10, and if you are in fifth hour, you'll be having that Zoom meeting today around class time. I believe I said that was 11 to 11:30. So please expect to have a Zoom meeting those times. Come in if you have questions, but it's definitely not mandatory. You do not have to come in to ask questions about what we've been doing. And I am going to be strictly using it only for a half hour so that I can get some uh, work done for future dates. So I'll try to stick as close to a half hour for those meetings. If it goes a little bit longer, that's fine. If no one shows up and I have to end it up a little sooner, that's quite all right as well. So expect to have your Zoom meetings over the next couple days. Come with questions, come with anything that you need help with, and I will try to answer that as soon as possible. And again, of course, if you can't make it to the Zoom meeting, or if you just don't feel like coming in, that's quite all right. But if you do have questions, please send them my way through email. One final thing I do want to say, you guys have been doing pretty well at this, but I do want to say when it comes to tests and quizzes, I would like for you guys to start showing more work. There's some people that are just putting the answers down, and I kind of let it slide, and I'm going to let it slide a little bit with this 8.1 to 8.3 quiz. But I do want to, if you are sending things in, please show some work. And I guess thinking about it, it wasn't really this class that really had an issue with the work, except for maybe chapter 7 test. But please show more work when we are doing tests and quizzes so that I know what your rational thinking is. And moving forward after this quiz, do expect to get points taken off if you do not show your work. And you just see a little bit of thinking behind your work. Okay. So please show your work. Again, I would expect it on on Thursday, because again, Thursday's your quiz. But I'm not going to be like I'm not going to be a stickler when it comes to showing your work on Thursday, but I would really, really appreciate it if you did. Come the test, you will need to show your work. Okay, so come the test, you will need to show your work. Okay, but other than that, please let me know if you have any questions about honest geometry, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, so make sure you go into the right Zoom, and if you want to join the Zoom but you haven't signed the consent form, please have your parents do so as soon as possible, just so that you can log into that. Okay. So again, use the discussion boards, email me, and everyone, please have a good day. If I see you either today or tomorrow. Thanks.